Have you ever wondered why some businesses seem to make brilliant decisions, staying ahead of the game while others fall behind? It's all about how they use data. Business intelligence, BI, and data analytics, DA, are two game-changing approaches that help organizations make smart, data-driven decisions. But here's the catch. Many people confuse these two powerful concepts. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand the difference between BY and DA, but also know how they can drive success for any organization. Introduction. With the rise of data-driven strategies, terms like business intelligence and data analytics are often thrown around. Unfortunately, they're frequently misunderstood or even used interchangeably. This leads to confusion because while they share similarities, BI and DA serve distinct purposes. In this video, we'll break it all down in simple terms. First, let's make one thing clear. Both BI and DA aim to support data-driven decision-making within organizations. They are also essential for enhancing a company's data maturity. So, what exactly is data maturity? It's how effectively a company uses its data to gain actionable insights. Whether we're talking about customer trends, employee performance, product success, or financial metrics, data is only valuable if it can be put to good use. And that's where skilled professionals come in. They apply the right techniques and tools to transform raw data into meaningful insights. Difference between BI and DA data analysts, or DAs, in business intelligence. BI professionals play different roles in this process. Data analysts. They focus on digging into historical data to answer questions like, what happened? They often use tools like spreadsheets, visualization platforms, and statistical models to uncover patterns and trends. BI professionals. These experts build systems and tools such as dashboards that provide continuous monitoring and real-time insights. They help organizations know what's happening right now and assist leaders in making proactive decisions. Real-life example. Let's say a retail company wants to track its sales performance. A data analyst might investigate why sales dipped last month and identify potential causes. Meanwhile, a BI professional would create a dynamic dashboard that shows real-time sales numbers, allowing decision-makers to quickly adjust strategies. Why BI and DA complement each other? A critical aspect of BI is creating dashboards that provide clear snapshots of the current state of operations. These dashboards must be intuitive and impactful, even for non-technical users. While BI professionals focus on building these tools, data analysts often use these same tools to answer specific questions or solve problems by diving deeper into the data. What makes BI professionals unique? If you love working on large-scale projects that benefit multiple departments, BI might be your calling. BI experts are technical masterminds who enjoy tasks like building databases, managing big data, and writing queries in SQL. They also create dashboards that help teams quickly understand what's going on within the organization. For example, they can track new customer signups, weekly sales performance, or the effectiveness of an email marketing campaign. Skills you can develop in BI. Being a BI professional isn't just about technical know-how. You'll also develop essential professional skills such as prioritizing multiple tasks, paying close attention to detail, taking ownership of processes, communicating effectively with diverse teams, going beyond surface-level requests to uncover deeper insights. Perhaps the most valuable skill you'll gain is learning how to connect with others to drive meaningful results. These abilities are what transform a job into a fulfilling career. The BI process: capture, analyze, and monitor. Let's break down the three key stages of BI. 1. Capture. This is where you gather static, backward-looking data. For example, pulling a report of last month's customer purchases. 2. Analyze. At this stage, you dig deeper to understand why things happen. By examining data from various angles, you can identify patterns and make predictions. 3. Monitor. This is the what's happening now phase. BI professionals use automated tools like dashboards and ETL pipelines to provide ongoing insights. These tools help organizations spot changes, challenges, and opportunities in real time. Why monitoring matters. The monitoring stage is where BI professionals truly shine. By delivering insights in real time, They empower decision makers to act quickly and stay agile. This proactive approach helps businesses achieve their goals more effectively. Building a career in BI. If you've earned certifications like the Google Data Analytics Certificate, you already have a strong foundation. BI programs can further enhance your skills, making you a valuable asset to employers. In addition to technical expertise, you'll develop the ability to manage large data sets, write complex SQL queries, and create impactful dashboards. These marketable talents will open doors to exciting job opportunities. Final Thoughts business intelligence and data analytics are both essential for helping organizations navigate today's data-driven landscape. By understanding their unique roles and how they complement each other, you'll be better equipped to contribute to your organization's success. Remember, data is only valuable when it leads to actionable insights. Whether you're interested in building powerful tools or analyzing data to uncover hidden patterns, both BI and DA offer rewarding career paths. Thanks for watching AI Trend Today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful videos. See you next time.